Got into Paris and got settled, went ahead and checked into the Airbnb and took the Eurostar over from London. Definitely the most convenient way to get into the city. Booked a cruise down the Seine River, which should be about an hour and a half, and I'll be able to do that right around sunset. Finished up the boat tour. What a way to kick off Paris. Great tour, and I went ahead and did about 30 minutes before sunset. So I went ahead and got sunset and right after. And I've got to say, this 360 view of Paris is incredible. You got to come up here at night. It is a little breezy, but it's definitely worth checking out. Wrapped up the Vincent van Gogh exhibit in Paris. It is a traveling exhibit. Unfortunately, there's no video allowed, but I did go ahead and sneak some of that and photos. That's what you're gonna go ahead and see next. Check the website for more. I'm gonna put that in the link below. Make sure you follow this exhibit, check it out, and if it's in a city near you, go ahead and buy a ticket. It's absolutely worth it. I knew going into Paris I wanted to visit the Louvre, but I really did not know what the best way was to do that. Thankfully, I came across Rick Steves' Audio Europe app, and you can download a Louvre walking tour. You can play, pause, and start the recording as you wish, which gives you time to go check out different sites and see the different pieces of artwork that they mention. Highly recommend it, and you'll get a much better experience walking through the Louvre, appreciating the artwork, and seeing everything it has to offer. temporary location, so we waited about an hour to an hour and a half just to view the Mona Lisa. But gotta say, all in all, definitely worth it. It's a once-in-a-lifetime painting. You gotta see it. Could not get enough of Paris. Between the beautiful architecture, the amazing food, and of course the sweet tasty treats of macarons, it was phenomenal. Loved the city and can't wait to keep seeking adventure.